In this video, I want to talk about how you can open your account on Binance. Now, to open an account on Binance, you need to verify it first of all. So create an account and then click on verify now. Now, to verify it, you need to provide some sort of identification. This can be driver's license and stuff like this. And you just want to go in there and provide that. So select your residence, and then you can see here, this is what I need to give them. So I need to give them some personal information, ID, and some checks and questionnaires. After I've done that, I'm gonna just go continue and press it. And once they've checked it and reviewed it, then my account will be opened. And there's a little guide that you can click on here if you wanna watch how it's done. And after that, your account will be opened, and then you can deposit and withdraw and trade and buy crypto and stuff like that. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.